When you are at the point that you are ready to insert your information onto the collaborative timeline, there's a few things you need to do first. First of all, you need to get to the link. I posted it on the OW Photography blog page. So if you go to our basic digital photography blog page, make sure that you choose the link for your correct hour. I will be using hour 7 as my example. Just make sure that if you are in a different hour, you are on the correct Google Slide link. The second thing you need to do is have your presentation open and ready as well. I'm using just a template through Google Slides for my example. What you need to do before you put your information over is you need to click on the share option up here at the top right and make sure that your presentation can be viewed by other people once you copy the link over into the timeline. Once you click on the share icon, you want to change your share options. So right here, if your screen looks a little different, click on the link where it says get shareable link and hopefully this information will pop up for you. But you need to be able to change this part right here. You want to make it so that you choose more options and that anyone with the link, so anyone with this link, we're the only ones that are going to have access to this, so we don't need to worry about anybody off campus getting our information, and we don't have any personal information in here either, so we're okay to choose anyone. So anyone with this link can access. And then down here, make sure that it just says anyone can view. You don't want somebody to be able to hop in and edit your work. So just make sure that it says can view. So just to recap, you want to make sure that for link sharing options, anyone with the link can access and that they only are able to view. Once you have that set up, you can go ahead and click done and then hop back to the PowerPoint slide. Now you are going to have to collaborate as a whole class and figure out who goes where. So you'll have to actually get up, talk to each other, ask other people what their time reference of their type or genre of photography was, and work as an entire class to get all of your timeline in the correct order. Once you find out what your placement is, you will need to go in and change your time. So just put the first year of your time frame, and then you will need to title and then insert a picture. So I can click on this and I'm able to edit. I can type in whatever the year is, so 1896, just as an example. Then up here, I would put the title of my type of photography or my person or the title of my genre. And then in here, it says insert picture and create link to your presentation. So what you're going to do is go ahead and erase this information. And then first you're going to start by putting in a picture. You can put in a picture. I would choose one of the pictures that you chose that you already put in your Google slide for your presentation. So you come up here to insert, choose image, upload from computer, because your picture should already be on your computer if it's in your Google slide. Go over here if it's on your desktop or if you saved it to downloads or your documents, wherever that picture lives on your computer, find it, choose it, and it will pop it in big on the slide. You will want to scale it down and then fit it up near your type of photography. If you cover up some of your timeline, that's okay. Just don't cover up somebody else's picture and don't cover up your year. We want to be able to see the year in your title. Now we need to link it to your presentation. So what you're going to do now is click on your picture, and then up just above here in your toolbar, there is an insert link option. So with your picture highlighted, your picture has to be surrounded in blue. It has to be active. Choose insert link. And now you're going to go grab your shareable link from your PowerPoint Google slide, or from your Google slide, not a PowerPoint. So now I come up here again to share. I've already set myself up with my viewing options. It should say anyone with a link can view. I am going to copy this link by clicking the copy link button, and it will tell me that the link is copied to my clipboard. Hit done. Now I can come back to my timeline and I paste that link there. You can press Command V or you can right click and choose paste. Once your link is in there, you hit apply and you're done. It should show you that your slide is now linked to this picture. Click got it, and now you and your partner are done, and you can do a little happy dance, high five for being awesome and being done, and you can head back to the blog page and find out what you need to be doing next for the rest of your class time.